Kids are playing with the hose. They're soaking wet. Unkink it, Ben.
I'm freezing now.
Good. It's hot.
What does this do?
Unkink it, Ben. Ben, unkink it.
Mr. Trudy Adam. Look at that, Mr. Trudy Adam. The flower is broke.
Ben, don't point it this way, Fred. Turn it around.
Fred, look at the Mr. Trudy Adam. Look at it. Look at the flower. Mr. Trudy Adam. Please put it away. Put it on the ground. No! Put it on the ground. Alright, I won't untake it if you don't put it on the ground. Put it on the ground, then I'm untaking. No, on the ground, not on the pool, the ground. No! Okay, in the pool, in the pool, in the pool.